In our world, everything is about ecosystems. If anything starts, grows, and flourishes, it is because of these networks of nature. Today, they work together perfectly, locally and globally. Over the past 20 years, technology has been changing the way we think, live, and collaborate. The cost of technology sank exponentially. New companies, new business models were born. In every corner of the planet, tech hubs have developed, local initiatives were deployed, and many corporations have started to accelerate and incubate startups. Yet some industries still have to join the movement, now known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution.
I think there are probably three things or three hurdles in particular that one has to take into account. Number one is speed, number two is organizational structure, and number three is skills.
But it should be fast, quick, and not complicated. To make this work, right, the big companies are the ones that have to change the way they interface.
Today, the industry at large understood that if they want to get the freshest ideas on marketing, on retail, on manufacturing, on exposure, on ideas, they go to the startups.
Living and breathing at the intersection of startups and industries, born from existing industry needs, Cube was created to connect both worlds by pairing the most innovative and solid startups with industry players. Cube is an ecosystem. If you're a part of it, this is how you benefit. Cube Connect is a network of elite partners curated among the industry experts and influencers, the brightest minds and most relevant institutions. Cube is present internationally. Our local events around the world will connect you to the epicenters of the new tech industry. As one of the most promising startups, Cube will welcome you into our co-working space in Berlin. Together with our connectors, this by invitation-only space will bring you a professional infrastructure to execute your plans to excellence. Powered by smart tools, Cube is the gateway for startups to get access to the most important industry leaders through our exclusive global database and partnerships. The top selection of the Cube ecosystem will be invited to come together on a big scale at the exclusive Tech Fair in Berlin. If you are a part of Cube, you are invited. Other participants will have to qualify. But there is still more. If your ideas are outstanding, if your products are desperately needed by the industry, if your company is the best of all qualifiers, Cube will give you a special prize, 1 million euros. In cash, no equity, no obligations, no strings attached. Just 1 million euros for the best of the best. To create a truly outstanding partnership between the industry and you. Are you one of the most promising startups in your industry? Qualify now. CubeGlobal.com